Eric's turn.
But Spooky had no friends. No one knows who I am, he said. No one can see a ghost. He went to the park and fed the ducks. He sat on the swings. He slid down the slide.
Good.
Then he threw a ball for a dog. But no one spoke to him. No one knew he was there.
Yay, Eric. Now I need some brotherly love. Can you give your brother hugs and a kiss?
I love you, Eric.
Best friends forever, are you?
Best friends forever.
Eric, are you?
Best friends forever. Best.
All right, well, let me ask you.
forever.
Craig, who's your best friend in the whole wide world?
Eric.
Eric, who's your best friend in the whole wide world?
Craigie.
Okay.
Yeah. I love you. You're the best boy ever.
That's pretty funny. I'll show you the video.